Kamusta mga kabasketbolista? Tinambakan ng Parañaque Patriots ang Sarangani Marlins 167. Best player of the game si Paulo Castro sa likod ng kanyang 16 points, 2 rebounds, 3 assists. Tinambakan din ng Davao Occidental Tigers ang Bulacan Cuyas 91-55. Tinanghal na best player of the game si Bambam Gamalinda sa likod ng kanyang 15 points at 4 rebounds. Panalo naman ang Nueva Ecija Vanguards kontra sa Manila City 78-62. Best player of the game si MJ Ayaay sa likod ng kanyang 14 points, 7 rebounds, 2 assists. Kung umabot ka dito sa video na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Heto ang team standings ng North Division as of May 11, 2024. Nueva Ecija 5 wins 0 loss, San Juan Knights 5 wins 0 loss, Pampanga Giant Lanterns 5 wins 1 loss, Pasay Voyagers 4 wins 2 losses, Rizal Golden Colors 4 wins 2 losses, Valenzuela City 4 wins 3 losses, Manila City 4 wins 3 losses, Caloocan City 3 wins 1 loss, Quezon City 3 wins 3 losses, One Bataan Risers 3 wins 3 losses, Abra Weavers 3 wins 4 losses, Pangasinan Heatwaves 2 wins 5 losses, Marikina Showmasters 1 win 6 losses, Bulacan Cuyas 1 win 7 losses. Heto naman ang team standings ng South Division as of May 11, 2024. Quezon Huskers 5 wins 0 loss, Binyan Tatakjel 4 wins 0 loss, Zamboanga Family Sardines 6 wins 1 loss, Parañaque Patriots 6 wins 1 loss, Batangas City 5 wins 1 loss, Davao Occidental Tigers 5 wins 1 loss, South Cotabato Warriors 4 wins 3 losses, Negros Mascobados 3 wins 4 losses, Iloilo City 2 wins 4 losses, Mindoro Tamaros 2 wins 5 losses, Sarangani Marlins 1 win 6 losses, Bacolod City 1 win 6 losses, Muntinlupa Kidgers 0 win 6 losses, Imos Agimat 0 win 6 losses, Bicolandia Uragons 0 win 7 losses. Heto ang game schedule ngayong May 13, 2024 na gaganapin sa Brinziao Convention Center. Sa first game, maglalaban ang Valenzuela at Imos Agimat alas 4 ng hapon. Sa second game, magharap ang Muntinlupa Kidgers at Binyan Tatakjel alas 6 ng gabi. Sa main game, magtutos ang One Bataan Risers at Pampanga Giant Lanterns alas 8 ng gabi. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video na to, mag-like na at subscribe.